civilization. And this first we'll see civilization. What is civilization? Civilization is nothing but where the peoples will be lives in towns and cities is known as civilization. In this we'll see the word civilization is derived from the Latin word civitas meaning city. What its meaning? City. It may be characterized by the following features. People lives in towns and cities. What is meaning of civilization? Civilization meaning is nothing but the people lives in towns and cities is known as civilization. In which word it is derived? It is derived in the Latin word. Okay, in which word it is derived? It is derived in the word of Latin. Yes, what is the meaning of civilization? The people who lives in towns and cities. Then the second one, there are the social and economic divisions in society. What all we have divisions in the society? Social as well as economic. There is a government to maintain a law and order. People specialized in specific job. Different religious beliefs existed. As it is nothing but where the people will do their specific jobs in their own different kinds. Now, what the carpenter will do? The carpenter will do a woodwork. Right? What the doctor will do? The doctor will do a treatment. Yes. Each and every profession or each and every specific job, it had its own specialization, right? So the differentiate religious, what all it have that religious briefly is known as, it will be in the form of, it is also considered as civilization. Okay, there is an exchanging goods between villages and cities. Obviously, if we need rice, we can get in city, we can grow in city. No, we have to buy from the village. So what we have to do? We have to exchange the goods from village to city. Technology develops and the people have more control over the nature and its resource. Obviously, the technology is very developed, right? Where we can see, yes, everyone knows that technology is developed as well as the people have more control over the nature. How the nature it will be controlled? In the form of resource. Clear? In the form of resource. Now everybody open the next page. Can everybody see? Early people, civilized people. See how usually they will do their job in earlier. They usually whatever they knows they do in stones. This is the before technology. This is after technology. Okay. See how the peoples were taking that meat. The people were eating only a raw. They don't know how to cook and eat. Now what we have for cooking purpose? We have gas stoves and the cylinders, each and everything, right? But olden days, the people, they were using the stones. They were using the stones and they were rushing it in that that fire was coming. In that fire, they usually put on the wood and it will be fire upon the fire. They usually boil the meat and they were eating. But now we are using a very technology. How the technology we are using? Just we are on the stove and we are cooking the food and that we are eating. This is the differentiate between earlier people and civilized people. Clear? Next, we'll see a river value civilization. What is river value civilization? Each and everything we'll see in the next class. Got through? No? What all we studied until now? We studied what is civilization? Civilization is nothing but a people who lives in town and cities is known as civilization. It is also derived in the word of Latin word, and these are the divided into social and economic in the society, as well as in this every people have their own specific jobs in their own religious, as well as in this we can see there will be some good exchange from villages to cities due to technology develops. Okay, as well as in this we can see the differentiate between early people and civilized people, how the people were living their life, now how the civilized people were living the life. This is the differentiate between early people and civilized people. We'll see at the next class a river value civilization. Okay, anyway, bye students, meet you up in next class.